best pets comparison. As temperatures rise, keeping pets cool becomes a priority for many pet owners. Dog cooling pads provide a practical solution, helping regulate body temperature and prevent overheating during hot summer months. In this review, we've compared 5 popular cooling pad models. List 1. The Inspector Tail Self-Cooling Mat offers a versatile and portable cooling solution for pets. It features a 3-layer design with ice silk fabric for heat transfer, cotton for heat absorption, and a breathable mesh base for air circulation. The included string bag adds convenience for storage and travel. Available in multiple sizes, this mat is suitable for various breeds and can be used indoors or outdoors, making it a flexible choice for pet owners. The material is non-toxic, washable, and durable, ensuring long-term use even after multiple washes. While the cooling effect is subtle and relies on heat transfer rather than a noticeable cool-to-touch sensation, it performs well for pets seeking relief from warm surfaces. User feedback highlights its durability and ease of cleaning, though some noted that the cooling effect might not be sufficient for extremely hot environments. This mat is ideal for medium to large breeds and provides a comfortable resting spot in kennels, crates, or car seats. List 2. The Rywell Dog Cooling Mat 2.0 is a premium offering featuring advanced Arc-Chill cooling fabric from Japan. Designed for large breeds, it boasts a thick, durable construction and thermochromic technology that changes color to visually indicate heat absorption. The mat is waterproof, non-toxic, and easy to clean, making it a safe and hassle-free option for pet owners. It delivers a noticeable temperature drop of 4 degrees Fahrenheit, providing effective relief from heat and dehydration. The Rywell mat stands out for its innovative design and cooling performance, making it ideal for large dogs like German Shepherds or Golden Retrievers. Its thermochromic visuals add a fun, interactive element, while the durable build ensures longevity even with regular use. However, the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, and its cooling effectiveness can be influenced by ambient temperature. Recommended for indoor use or pairing with air conditioning for optimal results. List 3. The Bubney Summer Dog Cooling Mat is a budget-friendly option suitable for small to medium-sized pets. It features a self-cooling fabric that lowers temperature efficiently without requiring electricity, water, or gel. Lightweight and foldable, this mat is easy to transport and can be used in various locations, including dog beds, car seats, and outdoor shaded areas. The material is safe, non-toxic, and machine washable, ensuring convenience and safety for both pets and owners. Despite its affordability, the Bubney mat offers reliable cooling performance for pets in moderate heat. However, its smaller size and thinner construction may not be suitable for larger breeds or extremely hot environments. Customer reviews praise its portability and ease of cleaning, but some note that the cooling effect may diminish over time with frequent use. This mat is best for budget-conscious buyers with small to medium-sized dogs or cats. List 4. The Boone Max Cool Pet Pad is a mid-range cooling mat designed for all pet sizes. Made from natural cooling fabric, it effectively lowers temperatures by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, providing relief from heat. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it suitable for indoor, outdoor, and travel use. The PVC-coated surface is easy to clean, and the mat is free from gel or chemicals, ensuring safety for pets and humans alike. This cooling mat is well-suited for medium to large breeds and offers a comfortable resting spot during hot weather. While its cooling performance is effective, some users noted that it requires occasional rehydration or pairing with water for optimal results. The non-slip design adds versatility, but its durability may be a concern for pets prone to chewing. Overall, it balances affordability and performance, making it a practical choice for most pet owners. List 5. The Lubani Dog Cooling Mat for summer is a versatile, reversible cooling pad designed for year-round use. Its 5-layer construction includes cooling fabric, cotton, and waterproof TPU, ensuring comfort and durability. The reversible design offers a cool side for summer and a warm flannel side for winter, making it a unique option for multi-season use. Machine washable and lightweight, this mat is easy to maintain and transport. The Lubani mat excels in versatility, offering both cooling and warming functionality. Its durable construction and reversible design make it a standout choice for pets needing year-round comfort. However, its smaller size may not accommodate larger breeds, and its cooling performance is optimized when used with air conditioning. Recommended for small to medium-sized pets and owners seeking a multi-purpose solution.